Are you looking for a powerful WhatsApp marketing solution to reach thousands of customers instantly? Do you want to automate customer communication, increase engagement, and grow your business using WhatsApp? Getting started with WhatsAPI is simple. Click on Create Account. Fill in your details. Full name, company name, create account. Simply enter your username and password and click Sign In. Introducing WhatsAPI, a complete WhatsApp business marketing platform. It is designed to help businesses connect with customers faster and smarter, automate communication, and grow your business.
After login, you'll enter the WhatsAPI dashboard. It gives you quick access to all features. See your account, connection, and subscription. Access the setup guide and messaging tools. The clean interface makes starting easy. Before sending messages, connect your WhatsApp account. Go to the device section, click Connect. A QR code will appear. Open WhatsApp, tap your WhatsApp account is connected.
This is the most powerful feature of WhatsAPI. The bulk messaging system allows businesses to send promotional messages to thousands of customers. You can send text messages, promotions, and greetings. Feature: bulk messaging allows businesses to send promotional messages to thousands of customers. Send text, product, special offers, and business updates. Reach your entire audience in minutes. Effective marketing is all about targeting the right audience. With WhatsAPI, you can create separate contact. If you're ready to take your business marketing to the next level, WhatsAPI is the powerful WhatsApp marketing solution you've been looking for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates and tutorials.